This is the way you want to purchase a Tannewitz model GH 36-inch bandsaw. The wheels were recently professionally replaced, crowned, and balanced. The brake and brake cable are newer. The tables are hand scraped. This machine does have original paint, so you can see the true condition of this saw. This is just a really nice GH that needs nothing. Power is provided via a direct drive 208 220 440 volt 3-phase Reliance motor running at 835 RPM. This is a true gem. Did we mention there is also a custom cradle in case you have to move it through a low doorway? The cradle is huge and makes this 102-inch tall Tannewitz seem small in stature.